How is everyone feeling?
Honey, very good.
Full.
Ooh.
Well, I'm not full. I'm hungry. I know. I'm like, I don't know if we supposed to be full.
Hello, Hungry Kales.
Welcome to another tantalizing adventure.
My name is Nemanja Golubovic,
I'm Tamika Price.
and we are still at
Kale My Name.
As we promised to you, we made so much food, so we need a special guest to share all that food with, because Tamika and I can eat as much.
Yes, and they also have a show called Very Good Mondays.
Very Good Mondays, also uplifting and featuring small businesses. That's what we're all about, and you may know already who we're talking about, and you are right. Let's welcome Nick Krew and Tabitha Brown. Now I want to How does everyone feel?
Amazing.
Starving.
Good, well, you're in the right place.
Honey, very hungry. Very good.
And I like that. There is something that I have in common with all three of you.
Yeah.
I met each and every of you right over here inside of the Kale My Name.
Oh, I love it. I
and-
didn't realize y'all met here too.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
And I met Tab first. When I saw her, I screamed, and what I loved back, Tab screamed back. Like she acted like she knew me too.
Well, you probably scared her.
Like,
I was like, oh, what we doing? Oh.
Period.
Very good. I got all my kill with me.
Right.
Sorry.
with improvising.
Read that shit.
Stick to the
Got all my
script.
I have all my Kale Krew with me.
Yeah.
So, what are y'all's favorite items from Kale My Name?
Oh, well, I'm a little biased. I like right many things. Of course, for breakfast, the lox.
Ooh, yes.
But if I'm gonna have a little lunch, y'all know I love an avocado. Although I love kale, okay? But it's a fried avocado taco for me.
Okay then.
Yes.
We in the kitchen, and we are going to show you from the scratch how to make one of Tab's favorite, which is the fried avocado tacos. Okay.
Yes.
So we have avocado over here. Do you want to go ahead, Tab, and just cut it?
Sure. Shall we put gloves on?
Absolutely.
Let's do that
Here
first.
we go. Be safe. Let's put the gloves
Very good.
on. There you
It's
go.
a nice size avocado.
I know. Ooh. Then what's my favorite way of taking the pit out? How you do it? Like I push it from the back.
You can't push it from the back.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because especially if it's right, you can actually just do that.
Ooh, look at it. Almost.
See that?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
And I just take the avocado like that.
Okay.
Do you think that's a good way to
It's
do
a
it?
great way, honey. However you do it is your business.
Okay,
There's no right or
perfect.
wrong. Make sure the
Okay,
seed is
very good. So now that we have two nice slices, we're
Yes.
gonna actually cut it on the half that too. Okay, so that's gonna be half there. And we're gonna make another half, okay?
All right.
So we have 4 pieces now. Okay, so we're gonna grab one each. Okay, I'm gonna be greedy and go for
So
the
let's talk about the flax mix
flex.
for a second.
Uh-huh.
'Cause This is like an egg replacement.
It is, that
So
it's
you wanna-
right.
For people who are watching who don't know what that is, you want to tell them?
Absolutely. If like you need exactly an egg, what people normally use to make that later on flavor stick to it, we use the flax mix instead. It's a great alternative, and I think people should use it.
And it comes from flax seeds.
Uh-huh.
Great omegas.
And
Yeah.
it's great. And the entire dish will be a gluten-free, soy-free, so there is
Yes.
no gluten in it. The flour that we are using is actually a rice flour. What I have done before, I also mix some black pepper and salt inside of the
Yeah, you gotta
the
season it up.
exactly
You
so
got
it be
to season
seasoned.
the batter, baby. Yeah.
So that's gonna be now super sticky over here.
Yes.
You see, it gets the all stickiness, just like I think egg would. You're so
Yes.
right. It's like an egg replacement.
That's
and then
right.
we're gonna go and bam, and it's gonna get all
Perfection. Look at
There
you.
we go. And like, that's right. And
Very
now
good.
everything that sticks to it because of the flax mix, okay, we're just gonna place it right over here. Okay, you know
Okay.
what? I could add a little more because I just love it. Go ahead, grab
You
one.
know what?
Yes.
Mix it all up like so, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then it goes
And then
into
we take
the.
it into here.
Ooh.
You know, I done did this once or twice in my life.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
You know
here.
what? Let these do two, just in case. We normally need just two, but you know what? Just
Just in case
safety.
we got company.
Exactly.
You
You
know.
know, we'll give Tamika and Nick to try a little bit of this too.
Yeah.
You know, so make for them some. Listen, yes, we said that it's gonna go into the fryer. Okay.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is just place it right over there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one kind of went on a part, so I'm gonna do that right over here, right over here, and then it's ready, and you can follow me, okay, to drop that into the. There we go. We ready? We're gonna add 4 tortillas. I'm just gonna put a little olive oil
All right.
like around, and you can just go ahead and place them.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's getting that nice brown color.
Yes.
How beautiful. Oh, I would say it's ready. Or you
Yep.
think there's a little more?
Maybe another second
Another
or two.
minute. Yes,
Yeah.
you know, we love it, all the crispy. But
I
I,
like
think
it to be
tortillas might be ready.
Let's see.
The chips that I'm actually using is from same tortillas. We make it in house. We
Yeah.
cut tortillas on a square. We put them on the fryer, so it's also.
In-house homemade tortillas.
That's right.
All right. So we take 2 of these.
And place them right over there. Great job.
Oh, now I think we're cooking.
Woohoo. Okay,
Ooh.
and it's gonna go right over there.
Oh, it looks so good.
Let's do the big one that we made,
Yes.
okay? Oh,
Yes.
there we go. It fits. We're gonna put on our house-made chipotle aioli, okay?
Okay.
It has a vegan mayo that is also soy-free. And then we add like a little chipotle seasoning, paprika and things, and just makes it into perfect aioli.
Yes.
And now it's gonna go all over our avocado.
I know
okay?
all about it and love it.
Ooh, okay. Okay. Well, we made it all saucy, but you know what?
Okay,
That's
you're
good.
heavy-handed right there.
That's good.
That's
so
right.
we're gonna go and add kale to it. Okay. And ooh.
Yes.
Beautiful. And then, of course, tacos are requiring some pico de gallo. Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna grab that and put that on top. Look at that. Okay. And
It is looking and smelling amazing.
woohoo!
We ready for some action, honey.
Look what we have done together.
Yes.
Fried avocado tacos that we mix in a flaxseed, rice flour, chipotle aioli on top. Of course, kale, because Kale My Name.
Yes.
Some salsa and the chips on the side.
And pico de gallo on top.
It makes perfect lunch.
It's
Woo.
perfection, honey.
Let's see what my co-host and your co-host are thinking of the dish that we made.
Okay, very good.
Oh.
I mean, look what we
Avocado.
just made for you, okay?
Oh, you sharing, Nick?
Doesn't it look
maybe.
good?
You cute, you can have one.
Oh, but you know, I said that these were my favorite. You said you like cauliflower and waffles.
Oh, I like it all.
Okay. Yeah. But we just made that.
Yes, honey.
Well, let's do a cheers.
Ooh, well, you know we have to.
Oh my God.
Oh. Look how he loaded that thing up. It's everywhere, ain't it? But it's amazing.
That is delicious.
So good.
Wait a minute.
You know, we worked hard on it in the kitchen.
What
Quite
sauce is it?
tantalizing.
Ooh,
Chipotle aioli.
that's
Oh
right.
my gosh.
And I was generous with it, and it seems like it paid off.
Yeah,
yes.
honey, he stacked it on there.
Thank you for your
Generosity
generosity.
On a
It's
sauce.
appreciated. It's,
Yes. You did good.
it's every which way, but hey.
Very good.
A solid 10.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Woo!
And look at all this tin you
But I
got.
will
Yeah,
not
I
be
know.
outdone. I want to do some Buffalo Cauliflower Waffles. Are you ready, Nina?
I'm absolutely ready. Let's do that.
So since we're in Chicago,
Yes.
what is your greatest memory that you have when you're in Chicago?
When I was here shooting the shot, I stayed for like off and on for about 6 months. It
Yes.
was so much fun.
Oh,
And it was the height of COVID. And I was here
Yeah.
doing like real winter, real winter, snow, everything, but it was beautiful. I just love the people here. It's like family.
Kale My Name is known for their tantalizing cheesecake.
Oh.
If you could create a cheesecake in any flavor, what kind of cheesecake would you make, and what would you name it?
Like a pecan pie cheesecake. 'Cause
Okay.
pecan pie was my favorite growing up. My mama would make it, my granny would make it. It's like a southern staple.
Yeah.
And I don't think I've ever had a pecan pie
Cheesecake.
And we would call it Southern Delight.
Hello, Hungry Kales. We're continuing cooking in the kitchen now. I'm with Nick. How does it feel to be a little chef now?
I feel like I'm in my element. I need my chef hat.
Ooh! Okay, listen. All I can get you at the moment is like some gloves.
Oh,
okay?
that'd be good.
So let's put some gloves. Nick, you said a cauliflower was one of your favorite things.
Yes.
Okay. What we do to a cauliflower is a very similar process to what we've shown to do to avocado tacos. They're going into the flax mix, which is great replacement for egg to get that stickiness. And after that, we just put them into the rice flour because we want to keep them gluten-free, soy-free. So we are mostly using the rice flour. After that, the cauliflower is completely ready to go into the fryer. Look now how you look into that and people say, oh, why cauliflower wings? I was like, those are all little wings from a cauliflower. Like, you know how they say cauliflower head?
Yes.
It's made out of all of these little wings.
Yeah,
okay?
I see.
So
Nice.
let's do and drop that in the fryer, okay? You will hold it for me right over here, okay? And what we're gonna do is drop all of that over here, okay? Look at that, perfect. Very slowly, we're gonna drop it down. While we are waiting for our cauliflower to be perfectly crispy and just lovely, this is our butter that we are making our waffle with. So I cannot tell you everything what's inside, okay?
Okay, it's a
because
secret
that's
sauce.
absolutely secret of
All
our
right.
kitchen, but I can tell you some things, you
Okay.
know? It's oat-based, oat milk, right? Because we want to keep it, again, very RLG friendly so that everybody can have it. We also want to add a little sweetness, so we add a little cinnamon in it, you know?
Nice.
Also, like if you're using flour, it's an always gluten-free one, and that's about it that I'm gonna tell you, okay?
Okay.
We have a really lovely waffle maker right over here. So now we're gonna go right over here. Oh, Chef Nick, come on. What we're gonna do now is sometimes it's challenging to transfer all of that into here. Do you think you can do it? There you go. Oh, ho, ho, oh, ho. Perfection. Let me add a little salt over there, okay? Because we want it to be nice and seasoned. That's right, but can you do a little more? You know, do it. That's right. We want to even it out everywhere. So shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. This is our house-made buffalo sauce.
Oh, okay.
Right.
nice.
Ooh, it's really hot. Teamwork, teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Ooh.
Everything's better with butter. Vegan butter, that is.
Listen, vegan butter, let's scoop it like an ice cream, babies. Bam. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, look at that waffle, baby. The cauliflower now that we made, you know what? We're gonna place it right on top of that
Oh,
waffle.
that's smart.
I know, right? What do you think about that? Look what we have made, okay? Let's do a little ooh, 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 ooh. Smells so good, right? How you think Tab and Tamika are gonna react when we show them
They're gonna eat this up.
our creation? Okay, well, let's do it. Let's show them. Ooh, ooh.
Can you smell what the few is cooking?
Oh, well.
I
presentation.
mean,
You did that?
listen.
Okay now, Nicholas. This looks amazing.
Whole name, honey.
I'm excited to try what you done chefed up. Let's talk
Listen.
about it.
He said that he loves with buffalo, so I will first go ahead and do a little situation over here.
Do you like it?
I don't mind.
Listen, we can only go half.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So to respect everybody's taste, so we're gonna go, ooh, look at that.
I mean, I think you should just
Wow.
drizzle it all over just a little bit.
We need to zoom in.
Yeah, just drizzle it all on there a little bit.
A little bit, okay, you know?
Ooh.
There you go. You know what? There's also some sweetness to it. Does somebody want to go a
Oh,
little
yeah.
bit and make?
Let me do a little
right
something.
ahead. Go.
Like that.
Oh yeah.
It's the dramatics, honey.
Listen, we all be excited about
gotta
this.
get that.
So
The
let
one
us
that's bold.
let us try
Yes.
and see what grades do we get, Nick,
Okay, let's see.
for making this.
I'm on over here.
Let's see. Oh God, we thank you again.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.
I'm gonna hijack that prayer. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, is that
Yeah.
It's so good.
Go ahead.
We trying?
What's going on here?
good?
Uh-huh.
I cut mine like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. My head was all. Let me see.
The buffalo with the agave.
I know. Yeah, let me.
That's good.
You gotta mix it. It's unexpected.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
going for
good.
more.
Let me just
So
get one more.
good.
Just get one more. And I don't even be doing buffalo like that. But today I am.
I love you so much.
That's very good.
That's good stuff.
That's a nice sweet. I love the sweet with that. It's some
Yeah, sweet heat.
Sweet heat.
I
Yeah.
made, I
the
made
way
it,
you. Yeah.
I made it myself.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding.
did?
No.
Now I expect you to make this when we have a little fun day at the house. You remember what to do?
No. This was beautiful. Thank you so much for the experience.
It just lets me know how much I miss Kale My Name, honey. I gotta come back. Can't be gone that long again.
Ooh, you know you're always welcome here, all three of you. Thank you so much for being our special guest today.
Yes, thank you.
Our lovely special edition episode of the Kale Krew. More special editions are coming. Let me tell you all of that right now. All the special things coming our way. Until some other time. Until some.
Tantalizing adventure.
Bye!
Bye.
These thespian actors stick to script.
Okay.
Me, I'm more of a free spirit. I like to do a little improv. I kept improving while in rehearsal. And he said, you are adding lines. And it's falling flat. I said, he said, stop doing that. Oops, stick to the script. I said,
Well, excuse me.
honey, I said, I am. He said, yeah. And I don't like it.
So I stood in front of him with the script like this.
And then I did a line and still added improv. He said, you're doing it again.